who you helped. People would only remember your mistakes and ridicule them. You ridicule them forever. Like, there was a guy who didn't even do much wrong. He was a politician in, I think he was called Gove or something. I can't remember who he was. But he ate a sandwich in public and the paparazzi took pictures of him mid-bite. And he obviously, everyone looks ungraceful eating. And then they posted loads of pictures like, can't even eat a sandwich right. And they weren't even ridiculing him for his his policies or anything. They were just ridiculing him for eating a sandwich. People fell for it. People fell for it. So, I don't know, like, when you have to deal with that every day, most people don't like going to work when they have even less to contend with. And as well, like, I don't know, everyone makes mistakes. No one can do things perfectly. But when all of your mistakes dictate how people's lives will go, I guess there's a lot more pressure on your shoulders. And if no matter what you do, you're going to piss people off. I guess that's not an easy job to get right. Every politician is hated. Every single one. So I'm not going to pretend I could do that job better. Especially when I know nothing about what they do day to day. Nothing. Everyone thinks, oh, this person should be a prime minister. Do you even know what a prime minister does every day? Like play by play. Because I don't. Do you get less tics in sensory deprivation rooms? Well, firstly, I've never been in one. And secondly, I don't know, I get lots of questions like, do you tick upside down? Do you tick when you drink? Do you tick when you do this? Do you tick when you sleep? Do you tick underwater? And it's like, I am not experiencing my life day to day, trying to figure out how often I tick at any given time. I don't have a stopwatch reading between ticks or anything like that. It's background noise to me. You notice it more than I do. So it's not like I have a play-by-play statistic for every single circumstance I've ever been in. It would be weird if I did. I'm not as obsessed with my condition as you are. I'm really not. So the answer is I just don't know. Will you rate Dutch food while you're visiting Amsterdam? Well, look at this. Look at this fake fish. So I'm vegan, and I ordered some pretend fish.